How to see who saved your post on Instagram. Hello guys, welcome back to this quick tutorial video. Today I will show you that how can you see who saved your post on Instagram. So let's get started on this process. Firstly, you'll have to open the Instagram app. Alright, so after you open the Instagram app, you will got such interface. So from here, you'll have to go the options profile just at the bottom right corner of the screen. So simply tap on it. And now from here, you'll be able to see your recently posted videos or reels on here. So from here you'll have to tap on your three dots just at the top right corner of the screen, and now from here in this search field you'll have to type for professional. Okay, so after here you'll have to go with the options like switch to professional account. So simply have to go with that option, and next from here you can choose the categories. So I will choose the editor. Okay, so after there you'll have to tap on the switch to professional account option. Alright, so you can choose anyone from here like business or creator. So I will choose a creator. Okay, so next. Okay, now complete your profile. Alright, so after you're done from there, you will be switch to your professional account on Instagram. So to see who saved your post on Instagram, you'll have to scroll down and choose the post whom you want to see that. So I will choose this one. And now from here, you will have to scroll down, and here you got options like view insights. So simply you have to go with that option. And now on this reel inside section you will got options like you have to scroll down, and here you got options like views, watch time, interactions, profile activity. So from here, if anyone have saved your videos, you will got options like who saved your videos. So this is the easiest and simplest method to see who saved your post on Instagram. Hope you like this video, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.